I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and I'd like to show you today how to make the treble 3 together and the treble 4 together, which I've used in this beautiful motif, which is used in my Blossom Breeze cardigan pattern. If you'd like the pattern, it's linked below. So I'll show you how to make them. So I'm going to do a 3 together first. So I used the 3 together in, you can't even tell which one it is, this one, because this was my starting chain, the start of the round, and so I needed to do you can't just start with it because you need to get up to the right height. So I've done 4 chains to start with, and then I'm going to do my treble 3 together. So I'm going to yarn over twice. I'm going to insert my hook into my next stitch, yarn over and pull through, then I yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, then I've still got 2 loops on the hook. So then I'm going to yarn over twice, and I'm going to insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. I've now got 3 loops on the hook. So now I'm going to do the third one. So this is a treble 3 together. So this is the third stitch. So we yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we've got 4 loops on our hook. And we're going to do a final yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. And you see it has joined them all together, and it looks like a treble 4 together, but it is actually only just 3. So I will show you how to do a treble 4 together. I'm just going to do some chains. This is part of the pattern actually. So I'm going to do 3, 4, 5 chains just to get me to the next stitch. Right, so a treble 4 together. We yarn over twice, we insert into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, then we yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That leaves us with 2 loops on the hook. Then we yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And we've got 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We've got 4 loops on the hook now, and we yarn over twice, insert into our next stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We've got 5 loops on the hook, and you can see the 4 partly completed trebles all there next to each other. So this is the final bit. We yarn over and then we pull through all of those loops, and it joins them all together and makes a lovely like petal leaf flower type thing. So it's really good for making flowers and things like that. So there you have it, the treble 3 together and the treble 4 together. I hope you have learnt something, and I hope you're going to use it in some stitches. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you again for another video. Bye for now.